Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
Check the level of the dryer from side to side. Repeat from front to back. The dryer must be level for the moisture sensing system to operate correctly. To adjust the leveling feet, use a 9/16" open-end or adjustable wrench to turn the jam nut clockwise on the feet until they are about 1/2 inch from the cabinet. You may want to prop up the front of the dryer with a wood block or similar object that will support the weight of the dryer to have easier access to the feet of the unit. Now turn the leveling foot counterclockwise to lower the dryer or clockwise to raise the dryer. After adjusting the feet, recheck the levelness of the dryer and repeat as needed. Once the dryer is level, use a 9/16" open-end or adjustable wrench to turn the jam nut counterclockwise on the leveling feet tightly against the dryer cabinet.